Merchant of Venice. Act 2, Scene 8.
Venice, a street. Salarino. Dear friend, I saw Bassanio selling. Gratiano too went with him. I am sure that Lorenzo was not on the ship. Salanio. That villain, the Jew disturbed the Duke with his complaints, and the Duke went with him to search Bassanio's ship. Salarino. He came too late, for the ship had already set sail. The Duke was told that Lorenzo and his beloved Jessica had been seen sitting together in a gondola. Antonio also assured the Duke that they were not with Bassanio on his ships. Salanio. I have never seen such an outburst of anger, so confused it was strange, excessive with frequently changing as the wicked Jew shouted on the streets. My daughter, my ducats on my daughter, eloped with a Christian. Oh, my Christian ducats, justice the law. My ducats and my daughter, a sealed bag of ducats, of a double ducat stolen from me by my daughter, and jewels to stones to reach precious stones stolen by my daughter. Justice, find the girl. She has the diamonds as well as the ducats with her. Salarino. Well, all the boys in Venice follow him, crying about his diamonds, ducats, and his daughter. Salarino. Let Antonio make his payment on the day that the bond is due, otherwise, he may have to pay for the default. Salarino. By Virgin Mary, I remember I spoke to a Frenchman yesterday who told me that in the narrow sea channel between England and France, a ship from our country with rich cargo had been wrecked. I thought of Antonio when he told me and wished in silence that it were not his ship. Salanio. It is better that you tell Antonio what you have heard. Don't tell him at once, for it may make him sad. Salarino. There has not been a more generous man walking on his earth than Antonio. I saw Bassanio and Antonio part from each other. Bassanio promised that he would return as soon as possible, to which Antonio replied, don't come back in such a hurry. Don't spoil your plan for my sake, Bassanio. But stay till the time you attain your objective. As for the Jew bond with me, let it not distract you from your display of love. Be cheerful and let your mind be devoted entirely to your love and to its fair display in a most suitable manner. His eyes filled with tears, he turned his face away and extended his hand behind him. They moved by his love. He held hands of Bassanio, and so they parted from each other. Salanio. He seems to live only for Bassanio's sake. Come, I request you, and let us go to him to raise his low spirit with some amusement. Salerno. Yes, let us do so. They go out.